Good afternoon, children. Welcome back to online classes. Yesterday I have told you about sentences and also kinds of sentences. 4 types I have told you. Do you remember? I hope you remember all these things. Okay. Now let's start with the letter writing. Today's topic is letter writing. Today's topic is letter writing. So why do we write letters? To send messages, isn't it? So those days we used to write letters. Nowadays mobiles are available, so many members are not writing letters. But if you go to bank or post office or some other places, they ask you to write a letter if you want anything to do, if you want to change your account number or something else, isn't it? So you have to write a letter to the manager or to our subordinates. Okay. So finally, for letter writing, we are having 2 types of letters. We are having 2 types. One is formal letter, and the one is informal letter. So letters are of 2 types. One is formal letter and another one is informal letter. Formal letter means official letter. Formal letter means official letter. Writing letters. So formal letter means official letter. Writing letters to our subordinates like managers, teachers, principals, etc. Okay. Next, informal letter means it is personal letter. Personal or friendly. Personal or friendly. Personal letter or friendly letter. Informal letter means personal letter or friendly. Personal in the letter in the sense writing letters to our parents, friends and relatives. Did you understand? Letters are of 2 types. One is formal letter, that is official letter, writing letters to subordinates. Next, informal letter, that is personal letter or friendly. So, writing letters to parents, friends and relatives. Understood? These are the 2 types of letters. Now, I will tell you the format of these 2 letters. How to write these 2 letters. Let's see. First, we will see format for formal letter. How to write the formal letter. So, you all must be aware of writing the formal letter. How to write the letter. So, this side, left hand side. Okay, this is the right hand side for me. This is the left hand side. I have to start the letter from the left hand side. Okay, first one I have to write address. Address means sender's address. So, suppose I am writing the letter. I am the sender, isn't it? So, first point is address. That is, suppose who is writing the letter? Sender's address. So, who is writing the letter? Suppose I am writing a letter to an officer. So, first I have to write the address. My address. Sender's address. Next, I have to write the date. Date is, suppose the date, month, date and year I have to write. Okay, everything has to be written on this side, only left hand side. Please remember that one. First I have to write the address. Address in the sense sender's address. The person who is writing the letter. Understood? The person who is writing the letter. After that we have to write date. Next one, the person to whom we are writing from address. Okay, recipient's address. Recipient's address. That is the person who is going to receive the letter. Person who received the letter. The person who is going to receive the letter. Recipient's address. Okay, after writing that date, you have to write recipient's address. The person who is going to receive the letter. Understood, children? First sender's address. Suppose I am writing a letter, means I have to write my address. Suppose if you are writing the letter, means you have to write your address. Next you have to write the date, that is month, date and year. Next, recipient's address, the person who is going to receive the letter. Next one, salutation. Next one is salutation. Salutation means nothing but greetings. Nothing but greetings. So how do you greet them? Greetings. So it is a formal letter. So how will you greet dear sir or requested sir? How you will greet? Requested, respected sir. Respected sir or madam. Okay? Sir or ma'am. Okay? So, salutation is nothing but greetings. Respected sir or madam. Understood, children? This is the salutation. Salutation is nothing but greetings. Next, subject. Why you are writing the letter? Aim of the letter. Next one is aim. For what purpose you are writing the letter? The reason for writing the letter. Reason for writing the letter. Writing the letter. Reason for writing the letter. Subject, that is aim. Subject is nothing but aim. For what purpose you are writing the letter. Next comes body. Okay, is it clear, children? Okay, next comes, after the subject, it comes body of the letter. After the subject, it comes body of the letter. Body in the sense, body of the letter. Body of the letter is the message you are going to send. That is message. What is the message you are going to send? Message. What is the message you are going to send? What is the message you are going to send? Message or information. Message or information. Message or information. Next one, after that, finally, closing. How to close the letter. Closing. How to close? Yours faithfully. Otherwise, yours sincerely, etc. Anything you can use. Okay? Or yours truly. So these are the things you can use. Next, signature. Next is signature. Name. Signature in the sense, name. Your name you have to write. Understood, children? Yes, this is the format for writing the formal letter. Have you understood? Yes? From the beginning I told you what all the points to write the formal letter. Understood, everybody? Okay, now let's go to informal letter. Now I'll tell you about format of informal letter. So what is informal letter, children? Informal letter is personal letter, writing letters to your parents, friends and relatives. Format for informal letter. First one is address. That is what I told you before itself. Everything has to be written this side only, left hand side. First one is address. The person who is writing the letter. That person's address has to be written. This is the first point. Okay. Sender's address. So suppose I am sender's address. Suppose I am writing the letter, I have to write my address. Suppose if you are writing the letter to your mother or father or anyone, so you have to write your address here. Next comes the date. As I told you, date in the sense month, year, day and year. And year. So you have to write the date. Date is month, date and year. Okay. Next comes salutation. Salutation is nothing but greetings. Salutation is greetings. How do you greet? Greetings. So how do you write dear mom or dear daddy, dear aunt, dear mom, dear mom, dear dad or uncle, aunt, etc. Uncle, aunt, etc. So this is the greeting, salutation. Now comes body of the letter. Next comes body of the letter. What is the body of the letter? The message you are going to send. Message. The message which you are going to send. Understood, children? First we have to write the address. The person who is writing the letter, that person's address has to be written first. So suppose if I am writing the letter, I have to write my address, full address here. Okay. And next I have to write the date, month, date and year. Next salutation. Greeting. Salutation is nothing but greetings. How do you greet? Dear mom or dear dad or dear uncle, dear aunt, or otherwise for your friends, dear friend, you can write like that. Next comes body, that is message. What is the message you are going to send? Suppose if you are not well, you are writing to your mom, you are staying in the hostel and you are writing a letter to your mom. That is the message, that is the body of the letter comes in the message. Next comes closing. How do you close? Lovingly. Yours lovingly. Yours lovingly or with love, etc. Okay. Next, signature, your name. Next comes signature, your name. Name you have to write. Understood, children? So this is the format for informal letter. Once again I will tell you what is the format for informal letter. Informal letter is nothing but personal letter. It is personal letter. Writing letters to your mom, dad or friends or relatives. First you have to write. So every letter has to be written in the left side. Left hand side. See, this is the left hand side for me. You have to start the letter and everything should come in this order only. You should not go that side. So this is the new version of the letter writing. Okay. So in olden days we have used to write the letter and signature there. But nowadays this is the new version. So we have to write only this side, left hand side. So first we have to write the address, that is sender's address. The person who is writing the letter. Suppose if I am writing a letter to my mom, means I have to write my full address. Okay. Next comes the date. Date in the sense month, date and year you have to write. Next comes salutation. Salutation is nothing but greetings, dear mom or dad. Next comes the body. Body is what is the message you are going to send. Suppose if I am staying in the hostel, I want to write a letter to my mom, means I have to write what is the message I want to convey to her. Okay, suppose if I am not well, mummy I am not well, just why I am going to the hospital or something else, whatever the reason is, that is the body of the letter. Next, closing. While closing the letter, you have to write yours lovingly or with love or something. Okay, truly, you can also write like that. But you have to remember that there is no apostrophe here. Should not place an apostrophe. If you are writing yours, means there is no apostrophe here. Okay, so yours lovingly or with love. Next, you have to write your name. Understood, everybody? So today I have told you about two types of letter. One is formal and another one is informal letter. Formal letter is the official letter and informal letter is the personal letter. Writing letters to parents, parents, friends and relatives. Okay. So this is the format. So I have given format for two letters, formal and informal letter.
15 minutes.
Okay, children, today I have taught you about letter writing, two types of letters. One is formal and informal letter. And format I have given for you how to write the letters. I have taught you what is a formal letter, means it is an official letter, writing letters to subordinates like officers, managers, etc. Next, I have taught you about the informal letter. Informal letter is the personal letter. We are writing letters to parents, relatives and friends. Okay, understood? And these are the format. So please go through this. Notes will be sent to you. Okay, thank you, children. Have a good day.